Good morning, my dear students. Today we will continue the chapter The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, which is written by William Saroyan. As I defined you earlier that this story revolves around two poor Armenian boys, Murad and Aram. And they are the members of the Gargolian family, and the hallmarks of their tribe are trust and honesty. Okay, Aram, the narrator, who was then a boy of 9, and his cousin Murad, a more adventurous but slightly crazy fellow, he was 13 years old. And as I told you earlier that the story The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse is a tale told from the viewpoint of a 9-year-old boy. Okay, at that age imagination is rich, and to such a person the world is full of excellence and glory, and life is delightful and a mysterious dream, as we have already discussed. Now we will continue the chapter. Okay, we were reading that his cousin Murad, okay, he was there in front of him with a beautiful white horse, and Aram was not believing at all. Okay, and the narrator Aram, he knew that his cousin Murad couldn't have bought the horse, and if he couldn't have bought it, he must have stolen it. So the narrator refused to believe he had stolen it because no member of the Gargolian family could be a thief. Now we will start from here. Consequently, even though I could see the horse so magnificent, even though I could smell it so lovely, even though I could hear it breathing so exciting, I couldn't believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad, or with me, or any of the other members of my family. Okay, now consequently means as a result of. As a result of means even though I could see the horse, okay, means I was able to see the horse properly there. Okay, when Murad reached at Aram's house at 4 o'clock in the morning, at that time Aram, okay, he could not believe, but he saw there. So as a result of it, even though when Aram could see the horse, okay, and how the horse was splendid, it was magnificent, even though I could smell it, okay, even though I was able to smell that horse and its smell was so lovely, even though I could hear it breathing, means I can properly hear it breathing, and it was so exciting to see the horse, and I couldn't believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad, or with me, or with any of the other members of our family. And I couldn't believe because the Aram, the narrator, he was not believing at all. Okay, and what he was not believing, the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad, कि अब horse को मेरे cousin Murad से means कुछ लेना देना है, or with me, he had any connection with me or Murad, or with any other of the other member of the family, और किसी member के साथ या family में किसी के साथ भी कोई उसका he had anything to do. And my family who is asleep or awake, चाहे वो जाग रही है या सो रही है, means he had nothing to do with it, because I knew my cousin Murad couldn't have bought the horse. क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे cousin जो मुराद है, he couldn't have bought the horse because he was not able to afford a horse. Okay, because the family was poverty stricken. Okay, so he couldn't have bought the horse, and if he couldn't have bought it, he must have stolen it. Okay, तो अगर उसने bought नहीं किया है, so obviously he must have stolen it, and I refuse to believe he had stolen it. Okay, and I refuse to believe that the fact that he had stolen it. Why? Because the hallmarks of their family was honesty and trust. So Aram was saying here that no member of the Gargolian family could be a thief. I stared first at my cousin and then at the horse. अब सबसे पहले मैंने किसको देखा? To confirm this thing, okay, I first looked at my cousin, and then I saw at the horse. There was a pious stillness and humor in each of them, which on the one hand delighted me and on the other frightened me. There was a pious stillness. Okay, stillness means now because quietness was there. Okay, pious means holy, and the horse was quiet, and Murad was also quiet, and there were humorous elements also. Okay, so he in each of them, and which on the one hand, एक side तो वो मुझे क्या कर रही हैं, it all the things delighted me, means I am very excited about the horse. Okay, because Aram loved to ride a horse. Okay, and the other things, the other things frightened me also. Murad, I asked him, where did you steal this horse? Okay, कहाँ से तुमने इस horse को steal किया? Leap out of the window, he said, if you want to ride. Okay, means now Murad was saying to Aram that if you want to have a ride, then move quickly and suddenly leap out of your window. Okay, jump out of your window. And it was true then. Okay, now it was confirmed that he had stolen the horse. Okay, means now according to Murad, when he asked Aram to leap out of the window, okay, then it was confirmed that he had stolen the horse. There was no question about it. He had come to invite me to ride or not as I choose. Okay, now he had come to invite me here to ride or not. वो मुझे ride करने के लिए invite करने के लिए आया है, and it depends on me. Okay, whether I want to go or not. So it depends on me properly. Well, it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something else, such as money. Now the author Aram, who was a 9-year-old boy, he tries to make his point that, और वो क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं हमें, that it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride, कि अगर आप किसी भी horse को steal करते हैं for a ride only, okay, not for selling it, for riding only, so it was not the same thing as stealing something else. Okay, means it was not the act of stealing. Okay, means when you are stealing a horse for riding only, then it was not considered as a stealing. Okay, as something else in comparison to other things such as money. Okay, money is a part of stealing if you are having it, okay, without being noticed by someone. Okay, then for all I knew, maybe it wasn't stealing at all, or for all I knew that it wasn't stealing at all. Okay, and especially when you were crazy about horses. Okay, and the way my cousin Murad and I were, it wasn't stealing. Okay, now Aram wants to say us that if you were crazy about, okay, because Murad and Aram both loved to enjoy the ride of a beautiful white horse. Okay, so now cousin Aram and Murad both were crazy about horses. Okay, and the way my cousin Murad and I were, और जिस तरीके से मैं और मेरा cousin दोनों excited हैं horse के बारे में, horse riding के लिए, it wasn't stealing at all. Okay, वो अब अपने आप को क्या कर रहे हैं, अपनी इस mistake के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं मान रहे, और वो ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर हमने सिर्फ किसके लिए स्टीलिंग की है, अगर हमने सिर्फ हॉर्स को लिया है राइडिंग के लिए, सो इट वॉजंट द एक्ट ऑफ स्टीलिंग. इट वोडंट बिकम स्टीलिंग अंटिल वी ऑफर टू सेल द हॉर्स. और जब तक हम उस हॉर्स को सेल करने के लिए ऑफर नहीं कर देते, ओके, इट वुडंट बी कॉल्ड स्टीलिंग टिल देन. सो विच ऑफ कोर्स आई न्यू वी वुड नेवर डू. और हमें पता है कि हम ये टास्क कभी नहीं करेंगे. ओके, मीन्स हम इस एक्ट को नहीं करेंगे. वी वुड नॉट सेल द हॉर्स. Let me put on some clothes, I said. Now Aram was very excited to put on his clothes. Okay, he was very excited to ride a horse. Okay, that's why he was saying that let me put on some clothes. All right, he said, but hurry. Okay, now Murad said, all right, it's okay, but make it hurry. I leaped into my clothes. Okay, now I started wearing the clothes of me. Okay, और मैंने अपने जल्दी से अब clothes पहनना start किए. I moved quickly, okay, and I started wearing my clothes. I jumped down to the yard from the window. और मैं अब jump कर गया, okay, window से yard की तरफ directly, and leaped up onto the horse behind my cousin Murad. और मैं वहाँ move करने लगा suddenly and quickly, okay, and I sat behind my cousin Murad. That year we lived at the edge of town. ओके, अब उस ईयर की वो बात बता रहा है कि दैट ईयर वी स्पेशली वर लिविंग एट द एज ऑफ द टाउन. हम टाउन के बिल्कुल एज पर, Walnut Avenue is the name of place where they lived. Okay, वहाँ पर वो रहते थे. Behind our house was the country. ओके, बिहाइंड आवर हाउस, अब उनके हाउस के पीछे का डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ पर बता रखा है. बिहाइंड आवर हाउस वॉज द कंट्री, कंट्री साइड की यहाँ पर बात हो रही है. ओके, जो कंट्री साइड विलेज एरिया होता है वहाँ पर क्या क्या था. वाइन यार्ड्स, ऑर्चर्ड्स एंड इरिगेशन डिचेज एंड द कंट्री रोड्स. इन लेस देन 3 minutes वी वर ऑन ओलिव एवेन्यू. अब पहले वॉलनट एवेन्यू पर थे, एज ऑफ टाउन. Okay, or within 3 minutes only, with less than in less than 3 minutes they were on Olive Avenue, and the horse then began to trot. और उसके बाद horse ने क्या करना start किया, it began to trot. The air was new and lovely to breathe, means now they were enjoying. Okay, means Aram and Murad, they were enjoying the ride of a beautiful white horse, and the air seemed to them new, and it seemed lovely to breathe, and the feel of the horse running was wonderful. Okay, and when the horse was running, at the time the feel of the horse running was beautiful and wonderful to me. My cousin Murad, who was considered one of the craziest members of our family, he began to sing. Okay, means everyone thinks about Murad that he was a mad person, he was the craziest members of our family. Okay, he suddenly began to sing, and I want to say that he began to roar. Actually, he was not good at singing. Okay, so he began to roar. He spoke loudly. Okay, means in this chapter we will come to know that how they were enjoying a lot. Okay, how they were making the ride of horse. Okay, so this is it with today's lecture. Okay, read the chapter carefully. Thank you.